Giulian Panieri, Bonvicini, Stefanutti, Brugnera, Marangon, Fazion. Dalla 1 alla 7 in acqua Serie 2 Junior. Per la prima serie ai blocchi Fulvio Siviero in 1, Davide Casaroli in 2, Gabriel Saliu in 3, Mattia Santi in 4, Nicolò Scaldaferro in 5, Filippo Masero in 6, Andrea Zomer in 7.
By the lights of the Palace Arcade and watch night coming down on the Sovereign Light Cafe. I'm begging you for some sign, but you still got nothing to say. Don't turn your back on me, don't.
Tanto Stefanutti 58 e 68, Leo Sport.